Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. Today we will discuss how to disable autoplay for YouTube videos on Android. YouTube automatically starts playing the next video in a playlist or suggestion queue after finishing the current clip. The autoplay feature aims to keep viewers engaged by continuously providing new content. However, some users prefer manually advancing to the next video. We will walk through disabling autoplay on YouTube Android. First, open the YouTube app on your Android phone or tablet. Tap the profile icon in the top right corner. Look for Settings and tap to access available options. Underneath, choose General to control default playback preferences. Options for customizing YouTube viewing experience include a toggle for autoplay next video. This setting determines whether the next clip automatically begins playing after finishing the current video. Turn the switch next to autoplay next video to the left off position to disable autoplay on YouTube. Doing so requires manually tapping or clicking to start playing each new video. Consider whether continuously moving to the next suggested video or requiring interaction for each new clip better suits your preferences. The ability to adjust autoplay can be changed at any time. After reviewing options, turn off autoplay next video to set as the default. Then tap Save at the bottom of the page to apply the setting. YouTube playback on your Android device will now require tapping to start each video, rather than automatically progressing to the next suggestion, unless autoplay is enabled for a specific playlist or queue. The default autoplay toggle can be switched on or off as preferred going forward. Third-party YouTube apps, themes, or add-ons could potentially introduce security or privacy issues, rather than using the official YouTube app and its features. For controlling autoplay, the YouTube app itself provides a simple solution. In summary, to disable autoplay videos on YouTube Android, open YouTube, tap the profile icon, select Settings then General, turn off autoplay next video, review and tap Save. Your YouTube experience will now pause at the end of each clip until selecting another video to play, rather than automatically continuing to the next suggestion, unless enabled for a particular playlist. Let me know if customizing autoplay on YouTube Android requires any clarification. I can provide additional guidance on options available for managing default playback behavior and preferences. Thank you for watching. I hope this information was helpful. Have a wonderful day. Please feel free to message us via direct message with other questions. We are here to support streaming services, social media features, and more. Stay safe.